On this millennial review, we're going to go over the 58-inch V-series VIZIO TV. This is V585-G1. That's the part number, and we're going to unbox it, do the whole setup process, and go over how the TV looks. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you can see more videos like this into the future. And also, follow along and let me know your thoughts about this TV down in the comments. With the TV turned on, it automatically starts right up, but let's go ahead, pop open the remote here. Pretty nice looking remote, and very interestingly, actually comes with Duracell batteries. That's kind of a step up from pretty much anything you might see. So we can go ahead, pop those open. And then it looks like the back of this kind of pops right up. To reveal the spot for the batteries. Then it should just kind of hook right back together. There we are. So let's go through the setup on this TV. Start off English, home use. Continue with Ethernet for now. Alright, and now the network is set up. It's going to take a few minutes to update the entire TV. Now that it's done all its updating, we get to go through, check out each of the terms of service. Should you want to see them, you can go ahead and click accept. And then this just gives the information about their viewing data, which we also need to accept. And then if you want, you can add your registration. I'm going to skip this portion. And again, click OK on all this stuff. Now you can see that it's giving you the options to be able to run apps like Amazon or YouTube. All the stuff as you go through. You can have different movies, that sort of thing. So if we jump back up, and we even have YouTube for TV. So now if we cycle through, we've got the input button, which will now allow us to change our inputs. Oh, whoops, I hit the voodoo. So instead, input button is going to allow us to jump through. Watch free is going to be an internet version of TV. This is going to allow you to hook up to all sorts of channels here. So you can see, you can scroll through all these different channels, and nice to have all that available. You also have input. We can jump over to HDMI, which so this is going to have Chromecast built in, which I have there. It's also going to have my Roku, which I have attached to this. And you can go through, you've got TV, you've got SmartCast, a whole bunch of different functions to go through. And it looks pretty nice. So I'll update you after about a week of using this and let you know what I think about this TV.